If you have notes or book pages and need them in PDF format but don't have a scanner, don't worry. Your phone is good enough to convert any book or notes into a PDF, and I'll show you how. For this, you just need this Tweak PDF editor and scanner app. You can download it from the App Store or Play Store. I will also add the download link in the description for your easy access. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the scanner option at the bottom. Now select Document Scan. Place your book or notes on a flat surface with good lighting. Point your camera at the page and the app will scan it automatically. You can crop the page, rotate it, or adjust if needed. This will make your notes or book pages look clean and clear. To scan the next page, simply tap on the plus icon and scan the next page in the same way. By following the same steps, you can add multiple pages and the app will combine them into one single PDF. After scanning all the pages, tap on Save. That's it, your book pages or notes are now converted into a PDF. You can open it anytime or share it on WhatsApp, email, or Drive directly from here. So wasn't this super easy? If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech tips.